Okay, guys, I have to make a decision. The decision is going to be whether to go take care of the cow or to do NFP. And the decision is going to be to go take care of the cow. it's going to be it's going to be okay. Well, we got 2 minutes over here. Yeah, the cow is here. Look, got some cow dung on my hands too. We got a minute and a half left over here anyway, so we're gonna do this. We got 3,700 people watching over here, so we can't let you guys down. So, okay. Wow, look at that. Look at the way things are moving now. Look at the way things are moving. So I think the best thing to do would be to put a sell stop right here. Below this wick. Because if the next candle breaks below this low, then there's a very high probability it's going to continue pushing down. Right? Right. And then may put a buy stop above this wick, but it's way too far away. It's like 50 pips away. Yeah, that's way too far away. I'm not even sure if that's going to work. So maybe bring it up over here. Okay, your breath in the mic is blowing my ears. Maybe take off your headset. But yeah, after this quick move, oh wow, 6 pip spread over here. Crazy. Sell stop, buy stop. Sell stop, buy stop. 3, 2, 1. Sell stop, buy stop. Oh, things basically froze here for a little bit. Did you guys see that? I just closed right here. But you guys see the platform froze. Wow. That was insane. I got slipped too. And the platform froze. I was like, whoa, what's going on over here? But hey, won. Made 8,000. made some money. I have no idea why it froze, man. But it froze. But it froze. So, congratulations, Gulag. You guys made money here today too. Well done, amazing. Take care. Take care, everybody. We're going to see you guys Monday. Adios. Now wait for the stories of me handling the cow.